Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name Muhammad Hasib Wicaksono.
And my name is Muhammad Rizky Ibzia Fahmi. And now we gonna explain about the RAM. First, open the CPU, and then this is the RAM. I'm gonna show you. And this is the RAM. So
You must
touch in
this
the
position.
side, not in the center of this. So we're gonna
If you want to put it in,
place it again.
place it again carefully. Make sure the position is the same. And now use the switch.
It's very difficult, man.
Put the switch on and make sure this is on the perfect place.
Okay,
Okay, and it's
and it's done.
aja gagal aja. Kita ngajak